Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Brigetta, where simple ingredients turn into something unforgettable. Today, we're baking sunshine into every bite with a bright, buttery lemon blueberry tart. Let's get started. My first step is with lemon juice. And I've got cornstarch. Gonna whisk this together. This is going to be part of our blueberry topping. I'm going to tip that a little bit. There we go. First thing I'm going to do is add my blueberries to my pot. I'm going to warm them. And add my sugar. So we're going to cook them down. And we're going to add our cornstarch slurry. That's going to help thicken everything up. Here's this. All right, it's ready. We're going to let it sit and cool and move on to the next step. The next part I'm working on is the crust. So I have melted butter, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt. I'm going to combine this, and then I'm going to add the flour next. And also the oven is preheating to 350 degrees to cook the crust. Okay, now we're ready to add the flour. All right. That looks ready. Yep. All right, I don't want to overwork the crust too long. Now we're going to put it in our tart pan right here. If you haven't seen a tart pan before, it has a removable bottom. And they come in different shapes and sizes. This is what we're using today. We're going to put the crust in. Now I got this recipe from Sally's Baking Addiction, and that came highly recommended. So I thought I've got to try this, and I want to use my new tart pan too. So one of the ways you can move your crust to get it to the edges and up the side as much as possible without handling it is using a little cup to keep pushing it. It came with this. Now, mine isn't up the sides that far, but if yours is, you can create a nice edge. See how we're doing. I'm not sure if we went all the way around yet. Well, that helps. Okay, now I'm going to put it on my baking sheet. And we're going to put it in the oven. Okay. I'm going to try putting it down here this time. Okay, I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. And now we're going to have to wait. Okay, here's our crust. So what I had done is I had used the fork, or what you would do now is use the fork to make holes. Just lightly, you don't want to go all the way through. Okay, our filling, we're going to start with sweetened condensed milk. We have lemon juice, lemon zest, and 1 egg yolk. There we go. It did not want to come out. This is our filling. Oh, that looks beautiful, right? Here's our blueberry topping. So I warmed it up again so it'll be easier to spread. And we're gonna put it on top. We don't want it too hot, just warm enough to spread. So we're just gonna dollop. This is where the magic's gonna happen. So we don't want to use all of it either. We can save some for at the end. Okay, let's see if that's enough. Take our toothpick. Let's see, oh, actually it's not too hot now. Okay. We're going to start swirling. So work it around. Try not to disturb the filling too much. And just keep going till you get it the way you like it. All right, we're ready to put it back in the oven. So it's going to cook about 17 to 19 minutes. Split the difference and do 18. Now we're going to have to wait again. So now comes the hard part. I have to let it cool to room temperature and then put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So we are really going to have to wait to taste test this. This is the lemon blueberry tart. So what are your thoughts?
And this is why people should learn to cook at home.
That's right.
Treats like this.
And it really wasn't that hard considering, you know, I don't bake that much. It was just time consuming. The waiting part was the hardest part.
I love this when we did the test recipe the other day.
We're taking small bites.
So thin and delicate.
Yes.
The crust is buttery.
It is buttery.
Really good. Really's got that lemon punch to it.
It does. Yes, definitely.
Fresh blueberries, really cool. Beautiful. Tastes delicious.
And in case I didn't show you, the bottom part here is right here. So you take that out when you're serving it. So, but it's easy to clean. It's easy to store. It's good. I think it's good. I'm going to use the tart pan more in other recipes.
Is this the first tart you've made?
It's the first tart I've ever made.
Well, pretty delicious. I'm glad Santa Claus brought you that.
I know.
That pan.
How did he know, right?
He knows.
He does. He knows who's been naughty and nice.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 videos a week. The recipe, definitely going to want to check the recipe. It is in the description box with all the information. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.
This is good.
And now we're going to eat.
This is decadent.